What up, my homies out there? I want to say hi, and I went on Facebook today, on my brother's Facebook today, and he didn't log out of it, so I got on it, sneaky, and well, I was talking to my old friend Juliana Soto. You might know her from YouTube and Idol at the Fun Fest, stuff like that. That's my friend. I used to hang out with her sisters and her brother and my mom and dad. I used to hang out with their mom and dad. So I was on Facebook talking to them, talking to her, and we wanted to get together, and I wanted to see them, and she wanted to see us too. So she came up with the idea to see each other, and she came up with a sleepover. I was so amazed because I was just so surprised, and I was so happy to see Maddie, Maria, and Juliana, and Jace, and Tori, and Lewis. I was so happy, and I wanted to meet their dog Buster. I've never seen him before, and I want to meet him. So the sleepover is next week, and I can't wait. And so just comment on this video and tell me what you want me to do on my next video. So, peace. I'm out, y'all.